Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Value Bank here. So in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how to get your tax identification number, which is your TIN. Now if you are someone who is into content creation, on Facebook, on YouTube, and you've gotten to the point whereby they want to monetize your page or they want to monetize your YouTube channel, there is one thing that is very important that you actually have in order for you to present to YouTube or Facebook. Now when you have actually met the requirement for monetization for Facebook is actually 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber, okay, and for Facebook you need 5k followers and 60,000 minutes of watch time. So if you actually met this criteria, you will actually need to apply for monetization. And when you're actually applying for monetization, you will need some documents to actually present to them in order for them to confirm, okay, your identity and every single thing they need to confirm. You get? So you will need your tax identification number. So this is actually what I'm actually going to be showing you in this particular video. So, and if you're actually new to the Value Bank TV, I actually create videos on how to publish books on Amazon KDP. I create videos on sales and marketing. That means if you want to increase your sales in your business online and offline, you can actually pitch your tent in this channel. So if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share and ask any questions anywhere you don't actually understand in the video. So let's actually go ahead and actually get our tax identification number. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, okay, go to this website. You are seeing tin.jtb.gov.ng. so this is the website you need to actually go to get your tax identification number, okay. Let's just allow it to load. So once you actually search this website, it will take you to this particular interface, okay. This is the website where you have to actually get your TIN. Now if you are someone who is not aware, because most people have tax identification number but they are not aware that they have tax identification number, so the first thing you want to do is to do a verification if you have a TIN number, you understand. So as you can see here, you are seeing welcome to JTB TIN, which is tax identification number registration system. You get? Now you are seeing tax identification number verification portal, so you can verify if you have already or not. You get? So if you have, it will just show you that, it will just give you the result of your tax identification number. If you don't have, it will also show you that there is no result initiated, okay. So let's just click on this and see what I'm actually talking about. So when you actually get to the TIN verification portal, this is what you see. Now this is the TIN registration search panel. Any search you actually do here, it will actually show you if you are registered or not, or if you have a TIN or not. Now we actually have for individuals and we have for non-individuals. Now these non-individuals are corporate bodies, like if you have a company or you have a company that is registered under CAC, you can actually use this instruction and fill it here. But if you are an individual, which is what this video is actually focused on, so what you need to do is you look at the instructions here. The first thing they say, you should select your date of birth, which is something that is optional, okay. Now the second thing, select your preferred search criteria, which you are searching for BVN or CAC registration. So what you're actually searching for is your tax identification number, and what you want to use is your BVN to actually get this. So the next thing is to provide the appropriate value based on the search criteria. So what you actually want to do is, if you will use your BVN to actually do the search. Now BVN and all these stuff are actually connected. So if you actually put your BVN here, if you have a tax identification number, it will show if you have a tax identification number or not, or if your BVN has actually been used to do your TIN number, to actually get your TIN number. You understand? So what you want to do is include your BVN. Just type your BVN in this search volume that you are currently seeing here. You understand? And then after that, what you want to do is tick this I'm not a robot. You get? So once you tick this I'm not a robot and it actually shows good like this, the next thing you actually want to do is do a search. You get? So if you actually do a search, it will actually show you if you have registered for TIN or not. As you can see, record not found, please visit the nearest tax office. TIN registration slip result. You understand? That means I have not registered for my tax identification number. Now if you actually want to now get your tax identification number, this is what you need to do. So you have to come, as you are seeing here, access TIN registration system, register for TIN non-individual, register for TIN individual. Now this non-individual is for corporate bodies, this one is for individuals, which is what we actually want to do. So just click on individual. So it will actually take you to this point, you get, where you have to include your BVN, your date of birth, your first name, your last name. You understand? And you tick this and you search. You get? So you, as you can see, create individual TIN request. You get? So that is what you want to make sure that you include your BVN here. So what you just want to do is type your BVN in this particular portal. Okay, so what I want to do now is type my BVN here. Okay, then include my date of birth, the month, then the date, then the year. Okay, then you enter your first name. You enter your last name. Then you actually come to this point and tick I am not a robot. Then you come to this point where you have to search and you do a search. Please ensure your BVN details entered here correspond exactly with your BVN slip. Okay, so you click on next. Now when you actually click on next, the next thing you see is where you have to come and actually fill your other details. You understand? So you fill your other details here. You fill your NIN. You come to this point and actually fill your NIN. Okay, let me just pause this video and actually fill everything. So you fill your NIN, you select your title, if it's a Mr. or anything, or doctor or anything, just select your title. So I will just pause the video and make sure I have actually filled out everything, then I click on submit. Let me just pause the video. So once you are done with filling of everything, you fill your BVN, your NIN, you select your title, Mr., your first name, your middle name, your last name if you have a middle name, your gender, your state of origin, date of birth, you fill your place of birth, marital status, then you fill every single thing. All you now need to do is just to click on submit. As you can see, TIN request successful. Request ID. You can even decide to actually copy this. Just copy. So you can now click on OK. You get, now your requests have actually been sent. You can now go back. Okay, So your request has been successful. So this is actually how to get your tax identification number, and it will actually take like a few weeks. Most people actually takes like a week, 2 weeks, sometimes few days before they will actually send you an email that your thing has been successfully created, and you can now go to your email and download it. So that's how to actually create your tax and get your tax identification number if you want to actually use it for Facebook and if you want to use it for YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the Value Bank YouTube channel. I create videos on how you can actually publish on Amazon KDP, and I create videos around sales and marketing, and I also give you YouTube tips and tricks to succeed on the online space. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, most importantly, so that YouTube will actually push this video to more eyes, and make sure you share this video to people that will actually need this particular video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. As always, I am Value Bank, and I will be written for you all from afar. God bless you.